guys, Candida here, and I wanted to talk to you about the Rainbow and RainMate Genuine Lemon Fragrance Pack. This is an excellent addition to any home that wants to just freshen up their living space with a pleasant and uplifting aroma. This 4-pack is specifically designed to work with the Rainbow and RainMate air cleaning systems, and it's made with high quality ingredients that are safe for in-home use. What I love about the lemon fragrance is it's fresh, bright, invigorating, and it makes a great choice for anyone who wants to add a touch of that citrusy zest into their home. Whether you're using it to combat unpleasant odors, or you just simply want to have an atmosphere that smells fresh in your living space, this fragrant pack is sure to deliver. Now, what I love about this product is that it's long-lasting and incredibly easy to use. When you're ready to give your home a touch of fragrance, all you've got to do is take it out of the pack and add a few drops into your water. Now, you can add drops based on your preference. I always just give it a few squirts and it's ready to go. So if you want the touch of lemon and just a nice clean scent, I hope that you found this review helpful.